Today's combat pilots are on the go. They must be ready to deploy at a moment's notice, prepared to fight alongside Allied forces, to defeat an enemy that is more agile and formidable than ever before. This level of readiness requires intensive training and superior technologies. The P5 Combat Training System, or Tactical Combat Training System, provides next-generation capabilities needed for mission success, now and well into the future. The system sets the standard for joint, multi-service, and coalition training, allowing forces to train together as a coordinated team. It features a common approach for all participants and rangeless capabilities for maximum flexibility. The developers are Cubic Defense Applications and Teammate DRS Technologies.
Over the next decade, Cubic and DRS will provide this technology to approximately 30 ranges worldwide. The system will be delivered to the U.S. Air Force, Navy, Marines, and Air National Guard under a multi-service program.
The P5 system is the future of air combat training. The system also meets current and emerging security requirements for U.S. and coalition training missions. This is NAS Key West, the first U.S. Navy site to deploy the P5 Tactical Combat Training System, or TCTS. With the advanced technology, Navy pilots can conduct rangeless training missions for the first time aboard aircraft carriers. The instrumentation meets the rigorous requirements of the carrier environment, dramatically improving training effectiveness at sea. Here at Eglin Air Force Base, the P5 system is taking training to new heights on the Florida Panhandle and way beyond. The fighter pilots at Eglin and Key West are the first to experience the system's advanced features, such as live monitoring, real-time weapon simulations, and timely, accurate debriefs.
For one thing, it provides us a three-dimensional capability that we didn't have before. You can see all the exercises in much greater detail. There's better detection ranges over the older systems as well, and it's more reliable.
The P5 training system provides the most realistic experience possible. It is unsurpassed in its ability to create the fog of war, pushing pilots to their absolute limits.
It helps us sharpen our skills, so we are ready for the times when we really do need it.
The real power of this system lies in its ability to provide on-demand training at any location on Earth. With the aid of GPS satellites, pilots can train anywhere they can fly, using transportable components at a much lower cost than previous systems. Plus, it can track up to 100 high-activity aircraft at the same time.
It's a quantum leap over just basic recall and drawing on the boards, and you get more bang for the buck out of every hour worth of flight training that you get using these systems.
The Air Combat Training System includes two major components, the airborne pods and ground stations. The transportable ground stations provide the exercise control, live monitoring, and comprehensive debriefs. Here, the Individual Combat Aircrew Display System, or ICADS, allows training officers to communicate with pilots, control simulated threats, and review the missions.
It's very helpful in reenacting what we did, learning from our mistakes, seeing what we did well, and obviously stop, rewind, watch it again, listen to the comms. It's pretty much all we can ask for as far as a debriefing tool.
As you can see here, ICADS provides computer-generated images of all participating aircraft. It lets pilots view the aircraft's flight dynamics, weapons events, and outcomes of each engagement. The pod records all the training events, performs the weapon simulations, and processes in-flight events. This mobile device can be mounted on the aircraft weapon station or packaged as an internal subsystem to support the FA-18 and AV-8B Harrier aircraft.
When you have these pods available, you can come back after your flight and see everything live in 3 dimensions and see exactly what happened on every single fight.
With ICADS, the post-mission debriefs can be conducted at home stations or in theater settings. During the debriefs, the fighter pilots learn if they fired the right weapon at the right time with the right tactics. Combat pilots take their training very seriously because their lives depend on the lessons learned. With this technology, U.S. and Allied forces can maintain a superior level of readiness and fight as coordinated teams that act as one on the battlefield to fulfill their mission and return home safely. P5, it's field proven, affordable, and available now.